Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all on behalf of JetKid International School, Pusset. Children, in this video, we are going to study about chapter 4. The name of the chapter is Living in a Community, and the topic is Caring for Public Property. Children, as you all know, that in the previous video we studied about the public property and personal property, correct? And I told you that what are the things, what are the public property which we have to take care. Okay, in this video, we will just revise, children. This video is actually revision of caring of public property. Okay, children. So let's start. So, see, children, if you will see that campaign, yes, what is this? Campaign. So, campaign Clean India. If you will see, it is a fact that campaign Clean India, or it is also the name is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Actually, campaign Clean India has been launched by the Ministry of Tourism to create awareness among people. Yes, to create awareness among people, okay, and about cleanliness and hygiene in a public places, especially around historical monuments and at tourist destination, children. So what is campaign Clean India? See, if in the picture you can see this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, it is also known as if you will see, it is also known as campaign Clean India. Yes, children. So Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, if you will see that we promise our government that we will clean our surroundings where we are living, that is in India. We will clean our surrounding. If each one of us take care of this, definitely we will say that we in a correct manner we completed, or we promote in our Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Okay, children. So if you will see, children, see how people they are doing. See, children, only if we are seeing cleanliness, Clean India campaign, no, we have to work on that. And don't think people think that why I should do this. No one is big and small. See, if we are very clean, but if we are keeping our surrounding unclean, or we can say dirty, what will happen? It will affect us only, children. So while living in a community, we have to take care all of these things. Okay, so Clean India, Green India. Yes. So children, we have seen about the private property. Yes, and if you will see, what do you mean by private for property, children? Yes, thanks things that we own individually, they are known as personal property, or we can say private property. See, like this is our home, so it is a private property, or we can say personal property. Like this is my farm, so it is my only, so that's why it is private property, nobody can enter here. Okay, now what do you mean by public property, children? Properties such as hospitals, parks, you can see roads, public transports, suggest buses or transport. For example, if you will suggest buses or trains, and public libraries are set up by the government for everybody in a community to use and benefit for. Yes, children, from benefit from, hence they are called public properties. So what do you mean by public properties? Properties such as hospital, parks, garden, roads, okay, they all are public property. Okay, libraries, public libraries, so we have to take care of them, as we studied about this also. Okay, so these all are public property. See, you can see the roads, it is also a public property, we have to take care of all these things. See, children, if we are moving or we are going somewhere, so from the window, if we are throwing any garbage on the road, so it is not good, we are harming our public property. Okay, so we should take care of all these things, children. Yes, these are the parks and gardens. Yeah, children. Now if you will see your textbook, children, after caring for public property, you will understand that how we can Yes, how we can take care. What was, why is it responsibility, why is it our responsibility to take care of public property? One question is there in your book. So the answer is, public properties are usually maintained by the government. However, it does not mean that it is not our responsibility to take care of public places and property. So it is, the question is, why is it our responsibility to take care of public property? It is our duty as good citizen, because we are the citizen of India, to help our government maintain these common properties and places, as they have been set up for the welfare of all people. Yes, children, if we will see, children, the next slide, fill in the blanks. Yes, children, it is also the responsibility of the people to take care of the parks and museum. If you will see the B1, parks and gardens are example of public property. And the third one is, C1 is, people use parks to relax, play and exercise. And it is important to preserve historical monument. So it is everyone's responsibility to keep public property clean. So here we complete our caring for public property, children. I will give you all the answers in your WhatsApp group. So don't worry for that. Okay. So just go through it. It is a revision part. So thank you so much for listening.